So hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make money using this investment website. So I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video. So some people have been asking a review about this platform. It is called Litecoin Auto Mining website. So I'm going to show you how to earn money here. So you can earn daily Litecoin. They have a minimum deposit of $10. You can be withdrawing unlimitedly every day. You can refer to friends and earn. So these are the packages. You can buy this first package at $10 and earn $1.2 per day for 10 days. You can come on this for 30 days and invest $30 and you'll be earning 1.5. So you can invest up to $50,000 based on the package you want. So I'm going to show you how to sign up, and you can see that the company says that it is registered, but invest at your own risk. If you want to invest in this website, I'm also a risk taker, so you can invest like me the way I invest. So I'm going to click in sign up. If you want to sign up, just click in that link down in the description. So you have to enter your full name, enter the username, enter the password, confirm it, enter the email address, you enter it and set your question. You can set your name like what is you, then you answer yourself as your name. So you can choose a wallet to pay in. You can use Bitcoin, Litecoin, and choose Dogecoin. So me, I like Litecoin, so I already signed up an account. You have to verify this captcha and click in register button. So me, I already created an account, so I'm going to log into my account. So to log in, it is just easy. I need to enter my username and the password, and then I confirm the captcha. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me enter my details here and let me complete this captcha. So let me enter that captcha. I want to do everything live in this video on how to, and I show you how to earn money with this website. So I'm going to just click in login. Let's see what happens. uh, let me enter my details again. So I'm going to click in login, and you can see that they have logged me to my dashboard. I have a balance of 0.005. I have a miner which is running. So they first give you a free miner which has 100 GH per second. So to increase your earnings here, you have to make a deposit and invest. So let me show you the packages. As I have already shown you, you can just make a deposit in any package you'd like. So you can purchase any package you like here. So what you have to do, if I come back to the dashboard, you can see my total balance, and you can see my total withdrawals here. So what you have to do is easy. You just need to click in add you just need to click in make a deposit here. So when you click in make a deposit, you have to choose a package. For example, now if I want to choose this package, I just need to click in click here. So you just need to scroll down and choose the payment method you want to use. For example, now in this case, if you want to use Litecoin, just click in Litecoin. So just come back and click in spend. So let me show you, this is the amount which I want to deposit. So I'm just going to click in spend. So if I click in spend, they will redirect me here and they will give me a wallet address to deposit this money. So you have to copy it. After copying it, then you send the money here to this wallet. So in return, you'll be getting, you invest $10 in 10 days, you earn $12. So you make a profit of $2. That's how it is. So that is how you invest money here. So after doing all, then you can select another. If you want to upgrade your packages, you can just come and select any package. For example, this one for $30. Then you have to spend $30 here. So you invest that $30 based on what you want to invest. So that is how you deposit money. So to withdraw money, it is just easy. So you can just come to the dashboard and click in withdraw. So when you click in withdraw, here you can see that I already set the Litecoin address. So I can click through the Litecoin address, but they have a minimum of $3. That is the minimum withdraw here. So you can withdraw once you reach $3. So you can make your withdraw. So that is how you earn money here. So you can read through each and every part in this website and see how to make money more. So this is the referral link. You can share a referral link to people so that they can also earn from you. You can join their Telegram group. So that is it, guys. The link is down in the description of this video. Love you.